Hello students, I hope you all will be fine at home. Okay Rajiv, we are going to start chapter 6, that is factorization. Chapter 6, that is factorization. Little bit we have done in the 6th and 7th standard too. Now, what is the meaning of factors? What is the meaning of factorization? What is the meaning of numerical factors, numerical terms, expressions? See, suppose we have an expression 9x square plus 5xy. Suppose we have an expression 9x square plus 5xy. See beta, first of all check the terms. Check the terms. How many terms are here? This is your first term, this is your second term. So how many terms are here? That there are two terms. We can say there are two terms. So number of terms, if anybody will ask how many terms are here in this expression, that number of terms are 2. Clear? Now there are two terms. The first one is 9x square and the second one is 5xy. Clear? Now see beta, what are the factors of 9x square? If anybody will ask what are the factors of 9x square, it will be divided into 9 and x square. It will be divided into 9 and x square, and this x square further it will be divided into x and x. So we can say simply the factors of 9x square is 9x comma x. Clear? In the second term, what are the factors? Here 1, 2, 3. Three subterms are here. One is 5, one is x and one is y. So there are three subterms. Subterms means subparts. We can say 5x and y. Clear? There are 9xx. There are three terms 9xx and there are also three terms 5xy. If the question arrived, what is the HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor. Highest common factor. What does it mean? Highest common factor. Highest common factor means what is the common? What is the common? What is the maximum number? What is the maximum term which is common in between these two terms? Now in the first term there is a 9xy. Sorry, 9x square. 9x square which can be written as 9xx. 9xx. But in the second term there is 5xy. What is the common in between these two terms? Nothing is common without 1x. Nothing is common without 1x. So what is the highest common factor? This is x. What is the common factor? Highest common factor, this is x. Clear? Suppose Rajiv, we have a term. Suppose we have a term. Suppose we have a term 12a square minus 20a. Suppose we have a term 12a square minus 20a. This complete term is known as expression. This complete term is known as expression. Clear? Now, what is the common between these two? By seeing this expression, we can say simply a is common. A is common. Beta, what is the meaning of common? The least factor. Least factor. What is the least factor? Least means the lowest power. Now see, a power 2 is here, a power 1 is here. What is the common in between these two? Only a is common. So we can say a, that is common. But what about the numerical term? Numerical term like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers are known as numerical numbers, constant terms. Now from 12 and 20, what is the common? As we know, both are going on 4 table. As we know, both are going on 2 table. Because 12 is going on 2 table, 20 is also going on 2 table. What to do? What to do? We have to take maximum number always. We have to take out maximum number always. Why we have to take maximum number? If we will take 2, then again the number which we will get, suppose I am taking 2. See Rajiv, I am taking 2a. What is the left here? 2 6 does 12. 2 6 does 12. A with the a minus 2 tens are 20. A with already took outside, so 2a, it is 6a minus 10. What is the next term? This is 6a minus 10. Again 2 is common from this term. Why again? Because 6 is going on 2 table and 10 is also going on 2 table. Let us take 2 more. left here 3a minus 5, 2 2s are 4a, 3a minus 5.